Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset customer retention with LoyaltyLion easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset customer retention with LoyaltyLion, begin by logging into your LoyaltyLion account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Loyalty Programs section. Click on the Settings tab beneath it. Here, you will find various options to customize your loyalty program. Start by reviewing your current program features. Evaluate which aspects are underperforming and need improvement. Next, click on Points Settings to adjust how points are earned and redeemed. Consider increasing points for specific actions like referrals or purchases. After making adjustments, head to the Rewards section. Here, you can modify existing rewards or create new enticing options. Make sure to align the rewards with your customers' preferences. Then, go to the Segments tab to analyze customer behavior. Create targeted customer segments based on their activity and preferences. This will help you tailor your communications and offers more effectively. Now, move to the Email Integrations section. Connect your email marketing platform to automate messages to customers. Customize these messages to engage customers and encourage repeat purchases. Once you've set this up, review your loyalty program's appearance. In the Branding section, ensure your program reflects your brand's identity. This will create a seamless experience for your customers. Finally, save all changes and launch your refreshed loyalty program. Monitor customer engagement through the Analytics dashboard regularly. Make adjustments as needed based on customer feedback and behavior trends. By following these steps, you will effectively reset your customer retention strategy with LoyaltyLion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.